Once upon a time, in a lush jungle, there lived a gentle giant known as an elephant. The elephant was the largest land animal with a long trunk, big floppy ears, and strong, sturdy legs. In the heart of the jungle, the elephant roamed freely, munching on leaves, twigs, and fruits with its long trunk. Its trunk was like a versatile tool, helping it to pick up food, drink water, and even play with other animals. The elephant was not just big, it was also very wise. It knew the paths of the jungle like the back of its trunk, and often led other animals to water holes during dry spells. The other animals respected and admired the elephant for its strength and wisdom. Every day, the elephant would take long walks through the jungle, greeting its friends like the monkeys swinging from the trees, the colorful birds chirping melodies, and the graceful deer prancing around. It was loved by all the creatures of the jungle. One day, as the elephant was strolling through the jungle, it heard a faint cry. Following the sound, it discovered a lost baby monkey who had wandered away from its family. Without hesitation, the elephant gently picked up the baby monkey with its trunk and carried it back to its family. From that day on, the elephant became the hero of the jungle, known for its kindness and compassion. All the animals, big and small, looked up to the elephant and sought its guidance whenever they were in need. And so, the elephant continued to roam the jungle, spreading love and joy wherever it went, teaching the little ones about the importance of kindness, friendship, and helping others. And the baby monkey, now safe with its family, never forgot the kindness of the gentle giant, the magnificent elephant of the jungle.